Hello everyone. Before we start, let me introduce myself first. I am Rahma Rohati, a student of Bina Niaga Indonesia University, majoring in management. I will retell the tragedy 8 years ago, which was widely reported by the international media. Yes, the tragedy Brexit 2016, and even that is hard to forget. Okay, let's get straight to the material and don't forget to watch it. Wow, New Year is coming soon. Where are you going on holiday? Oh, fasting is coming soon, right? Speaking of fasting, Indonesian definitely can get away from the term mudik. So yes, it reminds me of the tragedy Brexit 8 years ago. Does anyone still remember it? Or maybe just heard about it? Interesting. How about we discuss the incident 8 years ago in more depth? A tragedy that is hard to forget, a dark note throughout history. It doesn't exist in world history, only in Indonesia. Come on, let's discuss.
Pintu keluar Brebes Timur atau Brexit.
Lalu lintas di kawasan gerbang tol Brebes, Jawa Tengah mengalami kepadatan.
Kemacetan panjang di jumlah kendaraan yang ingin keluar dari gerbang tol Brexit.
Hingga dini hari tadi, ribuan kendaraan masih terjebak.
Kemacetan masih terus terjadi di ruas tol ini,
Mengakibatkan sejumlah pemudik kelaparan.
ditambah penyempitan jalan di saat mobil memasuki simpang Brebes. Lengkap sudah faktor-faktor pendukung kemacetan di pintu tol Brebes Timur.
Mudik has become a tradition every time Eid al-Fitri. News about the flow of mudik on television, statements from journalists such as one way, open and closing lanes, and contraflow are no longer foreign to our ears. But what if the pleasant atmosphere of Eid ends tragically and heartbreakingly to the point of shaking the physical and mental health of the travelers? What else if not the tragedy Brexit 2016? The worst traffic jam in Indonesian history, even climbing dozens of lifts. So, how far couching is this tragedy Brexit? Here is the chronology. For those who don't know what Brexit, so Brexit is an abbreviation of Brebes Exit, which refers to the tragedy of traffic jam at the Pejagan S Brebes toll gate during the 2016 8 homecoming flow. Brexit or Brebes Exit is located at 57 kilometers of the Pejagan Toll Road, Pemalang, Central Java. At that time, the road was built as a continuation of 35 kilometers of the Kanci Pejagan Toll Road, which was also included in one part of the Trans Jawa Toll Road, which is predicted to only take a total 4 hours if taken from Jakarta to Brebes. So that many homecoming travelers prefer this toll road compared to the Pantura road. Peak of congestion. The peak of congestion during the tragedy Brexit occurred on 3 July to 5, 2016. Precisely H-3 to H-1 of Eid al-Fitri, according to the testimony of travelers reported by several media. They were stuck in traffic for 20 to 36 hours without any movement. On the dam is the story of Aziz. Aziz and his family were so excited to welcome the 2016 Eid homecoming. He predicted that this trip would be faster because for the first time the Trans-Jawa Toll Road was open to S-Berbers. On 3 July, Aziz and his family decided to go from Cirebon to Losari, Central Java. Who would have thought that after only a few kilometers, he had crossed the Losari-Pantura road. Aziz had seen the lake of the connection starting from the Losari intersection, which was the starting point of the connection, while the end was at the Brexit toll and that was still far ahead. According to Aziz, this was the worst traffic jam he had ever experienced. How could it not be? From Cirebon to Semarang alone, he had to travel a total of 35 kilometers, 32 hours of which he spent from Losari to Tegal. And then, after passing through Tegal city, Aziz and his family were finally able to escape the traffic jam. Nah, fun fact-nya nih, at that time rest area and evacuation roads were not yet available, so vehicles stuck in traffic could not rest an evacuation area, and they were forced to be trapped for days in the middle of many fields without any movement. The most ironic thing about this incident, one by one the victims fell. Even BNPB released this tragedy claimed the lives of 17 travelers, dominated by the elderly and children. On average, the victims died due to exhaustion, dehydration, heart attack, and carbon dioxide poisoning (CO2). Continuous use of AC can change oxygen level into carbon dioxide, which causes drive to continue to inhale apno causa CO2 toxic, which can be harmful to the body. So, what is the real cause of this tragedy Brexit? Cause of tragedy Brexit. The cause of this world traffic jam occurred due to several factors. First, the lack of preparation and anticipation from the government. Imperfect development, the imbalance between toll capacity and the number of vehicles are the main factor of the traffic jam that only occur at one point but spread to a leg of 25 kilometers. Next, limit payment counters. At the time, only 3 counters were functioning and 10 outer counters were still under construction to the slow toll payment because the transactions made were still using cash, no card. Phenomena during the tragedy Brexit. There are also unique and funny phenomena that occur during the tragedy Brexit. This traffic jam is exploited by some people to seek profit, which chose things beyond our expectation to emerge, such as the emergence of emergency toilet. Local residents built toilet on the side of the toll road made of terpal, praying on the side of the road. For Muslims, they definitely cannot leave their obligation to pray. Circumstances like this force them to pray on the side of the road. Improve gasoline retails. Usually, when there is a severe traffic jam, the thing that drives fare most is when our gasoline runs out. Where do we want to go? We can't even move, let alone find the nearest gas station. And from the news source that I read, this is escaped by the very minimal number of gas stations and far from the Kongs area. So, retail gasoline began to appear, but they set very high price. For 1 liter of Pertalite, it ranged 50,000 rupiah. Even a small bottle of mineral water cost 10,000 rupiah. Wow, it's crazy expensive. Why it's suddenly a crisis like this? After the tragedy Brexit. After 3 days, this unparalleled long traffic jam was finally resolved after policy office implement one way on the Pantura and opened all toll gates from Palimanan to Brexit. This tragedy has been recorded in history. This incident can be a lesson and evaluation for the government and agency. It was proven that in 2017, the government was aware and began to make improvement and build infrastructure in various regions to facilitate mobility and so that tragedy would not happen again. Even though the toll road has reached far as Aceh and Papua. And then we all hope that this dark tragedy will not happen again in the future. Let us pray for the victim who died in a state of husnul khotimah because they have fallen on their way to reconnect with their homestones. Yeah, that is for now. Hopefully the information I convey can be a lesson and what you need to remember. Let's not forget history because with history our country can progress and develop. I am Rahma. Thank you for watching and see you again.